What is up, everybody? I am Sniper Jones and welcome back to another video, guys. I have an unboxing today that I'm finally happy it came because look, I don't know who's all been going through this, but holiday shipping 2020 has literally have to be the worst shipping of all time. Now, we all know that shipping gets backed up during holiday season, okay? So that's nothing to be surprised about. But online shopping has like quadrupled its numbers in sales throughout the last few years because everybody's shopping online now. Everything is Amazon, eBay, or this website, to the point where online shopping in December has been crazy. I'm literally still waiting on packages that shipped out from December 14th, December 7th. If you know what I'm talking about, then comment down below. The reason why I brought that up is because this video was supposed to be made weeks ago, and I still have shoes out in the mail right now that hasn't got here. That was supposed to have been dropped weeks ago. So, I mean, it is what it is at the end of the day. I'm happy that it's finally here. But nevertheless, man, thank y'all for coming through, watching another video. If you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button because this is where all the bangers be created, all right? Unboxings, reviews, on foot, sneaker talks, even sneaker rotations now. It's all over here. And also make sure you hit the notification bell that you want to know when these videos are dropping, all right? Let's do that. Last but not least, let's hit the like button, man. We super close to 70K. Remember, the Dream Big merch is dropping at 70K. So help me hit that 70K so I can drop the merch. I can't wait. I know a lot of you guys have been excited. Ask me about it the last few days. So today we have a package that I got from the Nike Sneakers app. And I want to briefly say, man, Nike Sneakers app has been good to me. I don't know who all follow me on Instagram, but it was this guy that commented on my Instagram, bro. I got to find him real quick because I don't know why y'all be running down on your boy Snipe like that, bro. It ain't that deep. I ain't gonna hold you. It ain't that deep. Dude said, and I quote, "Hey Sniper, now you can officially stop crying. You hit on the blank," I can't tell you that because that shoe ain't in yet. "You hit on the Air Force Ones, you hit on the Travis Scott Jordan 1s, you hit on the Off-White 5s, you hit on the Nike Dunk, blah, blah, blah." So basically, hey, look, he took record of all the shoes I hit on, and including this shoe right here. It said, "Look, bro, you hit on almost all the shoes, so stop crying about when you don't hit." It's some truth in that, and it's some capping. Nike Sneakers app has been good to me 2020. I ain't gonna hold you. It's been very good. I've never got as many W's as I got this year, but I swear it always feel like the ones you really, really want the most, you never get. You remember the losses sometimes more than you remember the wins. But it's all good though, man. I'm happy to have this one because this one was a sleeper. I really feel like this shoe has some potential to be fired. And I know a lot of y'all probably passed up on these, but I ain't gonna cap, bro. These are hard. These are hard. And I'm trying to make my way back over to this side because I've been away from this side for a while. Let's see what we got. Wow! Here we have it, a Nike Air Force One. And I know a lot of y'all like, bruh, we don't do the G-Fazos, we don't do Air Force Ones. I really thought this one was a lot different. If y'all have been checking on Nike Sneakers app, this is the Air Force One Cosmic Clay, I believe. And what makes this one cool is it has the entire shoe is reattachable. Like everything is different. And I think this is the first time ever doing a creation like this. That's where you get the Air Force One of one. And the first part that comes in this shoe is all the attachable pieces that you get for the Nike Air Force One. Now, I don't know who's still watching this because I know some people that seen Air Force One, they got the hell up out of here. But for my real ones for watching, I appreciate it because if this was an Off-White Air Force One, everybody would be on the wave. You know what I'm saying? So that's not. I'm a sneaker head, guys. I do have a lot of shoes that come in that I don't show y'all, that I do not unbox because I know y'all wouldn't like. But I thought that this one has some potential, and I thought you guys would probably like this. So if this shoe looks familiar to you guys, okay, two things. I made 2 videos on this shoe. The first thing I made a video on this shoe was when I actually hit these live on the Nike Sneakers app, and I hit for 2 pairs. I hit for a pair, and my girlfriend hit for my size. So what I wound up doing with the extra size is giving it to my boy Mike for Christmas. We were the same size. So I knew when he had his before I had mine. I knew that I was gonna like those just due to, you know, all of the creativeness I seen that he can create from his own shoe. As I was saying earlier, bro, what makes this shoe different from just any Air Force One is the entire shoe has replaceable patches on it throughout the entire shoe. So you can take this whole toe box off, which is dope, and replace it with the red, or keep it black. You know what I'm saying? You can pretty much do it how you want. You can take this off. You can take the back heel off if you want. And like I said, everything, like this whole entire thing you can take off. Everything on the upper. I've never seen Nike do anything like this before. I could be wrong. Like, I ain't gonna hold you. I'm not the biggest Air Force One guy. So if any of my other Air Force One guys out there who true to the culture, who remember something like this, to comment down below. But I do like the fact that you can pretty much customize and make this shoe look however you want it to look. So for brief demonstration, I'm gonna probably go ahead and do something like take this swoosh off real quick, you know what I'm saying? Alone there, a little stiff. Grab one from the pallet, of course, and I'm gonna throw that thing on there, bro. I like the fact that you can customize these up. I don't know. I don't think they're reselling for too much, to be honest. I think the resale was like $150. So, you know, the resale value ain't going crazy, but I did think that, you know, this was kind of hard. Like, so many different combos, so many different things that you can do on these, man. It made it kind of cool. It reminds me like when I was growing up, before I had enough money to buy shoes, what me and my friends would do is we would go to NikeID.com and we would make basketball sneakers for the season. Now it's funny because, you know, we didn't really have the bread for the shoes at the time. So what we would do is we would just create shoes that we wish we could afford on Nike ID, save them, and never buy them. And I remember when they had the Air Force Ones on Nike ID, I would customize so many different Air Force Ones on there. I thought it was funny because, I mean, back at this time, Air Force Ones was a thing. And now I look back, Air Force Ones really not hitting like they used to no more. I do think they're making a comeback. You can even look at Air Force Ones that dropped this year. A lot of them got a little bit of buzz, including like the Air Force One Skeleton, the orange joint that came out near Christmas time. Here it's supposed to be another Air Force One off-white. Air Force One has done a few other collabs this year. So I can see the potential of the Air Force One going up. But still, I mean, when it comes to shoes, bro, I can't think of another sneaker that gets more respect for the culture than the Air Force One, even though, I mean, some people might be beyond it. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm pretty sure some people out here that's beyond Air Force One. Like, that's in the past, almost like the phone posit. But when you think of the sneaker community and when you think about sneaker culture, Air Force One has a huge impact on what we love and what we do today. So with that being said, man, I mean, I'm happy to have these, all right? I got them for retail, they was like $130. So it's really not too much, and I think it's probably gonna be my last sneaker pickup of the year. Well, actually, I do have another sneaker pickup. I don't know if that's gonna be here in time. I do have to go out of town to Cleveland. My grandmother passed away, so I gotta go back home to Cleveland, and I'll probably be away from the studio for a few days. It's just been like a lot of stuff with my mom, but regardless, I'm gonna push through it, get through the content as always, man. I'm not gonna allow that to slow us down over at the channel, but I am gonna be out of town, so I'm not sure if that package is gonna get here before I gotta slide. Regardless, man, I do want you guys' opinions down below of the Air Force One Cosmic Clay. How do you feel about this whole redesignable upper? They got like this whole little, the entire upper is interchangeable with this palette that they give you right here. And I thought it was pretty cool from Nike Air Force One to come out with something like that. And I'm actually happy I hit on sneakers for these. So, hey, it's your boy No. I appreciate you guys watching as always, man. I will tune in with you guys in the next one. And you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in their work though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.